Hello friends. Today's session we are going to see two more function in Python. One is enumerate, another one is zip. These are the two very good function. So if we are using this function with the for loop, it's very handy. The syntax is enumerate that iterable. So starting from where we have to read it and this starting point. If you want um, read this value with index, then you can, this is the way you can read it. So for loop, index and whatever the list value we have to read it, then call it with enumerate that variable. So that's the way we can read it. So okay, this is optional, but it's always start with one. Okay, and print index value. So it's one or um, if we are putting as one, then it will come one that particular value, first value, then it will add it. Okay, just I will show this example, then you will get good understanding. This is enumerate function. So just so yeah, so just I am running it. See, it start taking the index value. So this loop each one by one, and it's concatenating and it's showing it. See, if I am not giving this, see, it will, so it starts with 0. So if you want to start with 1, then put start equal to 1. Okay, that's the way we can use this enumerate function. It will read the values one by one, and it will filter it. See, you can use print um, the value of enumerate this one. See if you put this. Sorry, it shouldn't. See, it will give address. It won't give the value. If you want to see the value, then you have to put it as list. Then it will give the value. Okay, but if you are using for loop, then it will see this start printing the values with index. So, but if you want, if you are using for loop, it will automatically read the data with the index and you can print it. So there is anyway you can use it two ways. Okay, this is for enumerate function. Okay, this is the most important functions. Okay, next one is zip function. See, if you want use multiple list and you have to print it, then you can use zip. There is a function. So it will accept multiple inputs. Okay, multiple list of value. Then we can print it. This is the list. Zip function in Python. See, if you see, this I am taking to list. Um, just I'm commenting out here. See, this is the zip function. See, it start reading names. I am passing one input, another one is marks, and I am reading one variable name, another mark, and I am start printing it. Okay. So these kind of multiple list handling, multiple list, it's possible. See, this is the, we can read and print it. Okay. So if you are adding one more value, like Raj, but if you are not giving here value, then it will ignore. See, I am saving it. It's ignores. But see, whatever the matching value, then it will. So you taking as 98. Then it start printing. Okay. So that's the way it should match. The list value should match. Then those list value it will start iterating and printing it. Okay. This is the zip. So multiples. Okay. You can add like grade. Then you can put all A. So A all are in A grade. The last one I can put B. Okay. That's the way I added one more list. Just we can add. Um, okay. So here I'm adding it grades. Here I can comma. I can put grade. Here what I can do comma grades. Then I can put this. That's okay. You can start adding multiple values in the zip. These are two good handful functions. Just I took few more examples. I'm just showing. You can try out of it. Okay. So this is for, then we have one more option here. If you want to terminate in the particular place, we have break. So when whatever the loops we are using, if you want to terminate particular position, we can use break. It will stop immediately and it will close the program. Okay. So example, multiple attempts. You see example password, if you try three attempts, then it should go for break. Those kind of operation we can use this break. It is hard stop. Okay. Another one function we have continue. So this one also we can use it. It will give the continue. So when the case is true, then it will continue, else it will break. That's the way we can handle where when we have to continue, when we have to do the hard stop break. So these are the two functions available, continue and break. Okay. So that's the way I am completing this for loop concepts. Okay. Thank you, friends. Please subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you.